Good evening, guys. I will make tortilla bread for me and for my co-Filipino worker. Ayan, tortilla bread. Ayan. Tapos hindi talaga kami. We are not getting thin because we love to eat. We love to eat, guys. Ay, naku. Hindi Hindi talaga kami papayat, guys. O, iwain natin yan, guys. Walang tayo ng Don't wanna let her go. Ayan, guys. Lalagyan natin yung tortilla ng mayonnaise at ketchup. Yan lang, guys. Tapos tap natin to. Hindi kami papayat, guys. We are not getting thin because we love to eat. My God. Wala kasing my employer is not here, so that's why no work. No cook for today. Only for kids. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Ayan, lagyan natin ng fries. Lagyan natin ng fries. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Oh. Nakita nyo ba? Let's see. Ayan, guys. Close natin na maigi. Tortilla bread, guys. Yan lang siya, guys. Ay, shit na nila. Para sa amin lang to ng Pilipina. May co-Filipino worker. Kasi mamaya pa yung mga bata. Mga 8. Mga 8 pa sila gagawa ng dinner nila. Mga 8. Tag-isa ko ng Pinay. Dinner na namin to. No rice today. Oh my God, nag-rice na kami kaninang morning and lunch. Dinner, tinapay na lang. Ay, Diyos ko. We eat tinapay. Guys. Because we're getting fat na. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Yan na, guys, hindi kasi tortilla tayo. Guys. Diba? Yan na, guys, ang pagkain namin dalawa. Ayan na, guys. Pagkain namin dalawa. Ito sa mga bata to eh. Lulutuin ko yan later. 8 p.m. Kasi it's too early pa to eat dinner for them. So, kailangan kami muna. Okay, bye, guys. Bye.